Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how we can change the nib of Pilot Metropolitan and other Pilot pens if the nib gets damaged. Uh, just I want to explain how this nib is fitting with feeder. If you want to open, you can hold the nib and feeder together and slightly rotate. The feeder unit will come separately. Now clean the feeder. You can see the nib is perfectly fitting in the feeder. A small wing is there and it is perfectly sitting here. So this is the wing area which is perfectly sitting. Normally Pilot doesn't provides accessories in the market, so we are forced to go for some replacement nib, and we suggest to use 5.5 number 5.5 nib, and this is the nib. And if we shoot this one, it is sitting, but there is a slightly wing diameter difference is there. This wing diameter is not exactly matching with this feeder diameter. So what happens, and there will be a slight gap, and you will not get continuous writing. So if you see that there is a slight gap, so to correct that one, use a nose player like this and slightly hold the nib like this and slightly press in this area so that the wing portion expands. Be careful, because it is, if we press this one, it is directly connected to the tip of the nib, so that position is also getting altered. So slightly press the nib and ensure the feeder is perfectly sitting, nib is perfectly sitting on the feeder. So if you want to slightly increase the radius, yes, you can once again press, but ensure the tip of the nib, the tines should align together. So once it is done, just you can see the gap here also. Now insert in the pen, it perfectly fits, and we should not see any gap in this area, nib and feeder. So now let us see how this pen writes. I am shaking initially for the flow of ink, since I have wiped all the ink in the feeder. Yeah, yes. I can see tines are not parallel, and let me correct that one also. See, this nib changing is tricky in the case of Pilot, so be careful while changing the nib. The flow is also really good, but I could see the tines are not parallel, so that it makes a scratchy noise. Yeah, now the tines are parallel. So this is the method we can change the nib of Pilot. Hope this video helps you. If you have any doubts on this specific video, you can call us, and we have many brands in this 5.5 size. Canrite and Plaza, Oliver, and Click, and as well as V-Sign. All those nibs works perfectly for this pilot pen. So choose number 5.5 nib. You can choose medium or fine, whatever it may be, whatever you want, you can choose. I hope again this video will help you for changing your damaged nib. Thanks for watching this video.